Good afternoon, I'm Ed Pozzuoli, President of Tripp Scott. Happy New Year to all our friends and clients out there. And today we're going to introduce all of you to our latest partner, Seth Ellis. Seth, welcome.
Thank you, Ed.
As some of you may be aware, Seth and his team joined Tripp Scott effective January 1st. And for our friends and clients watching, give us the benefit of your background and experience.
Sure, Ed. Prior to merging our firms in January, I had a practice that was in Boca Raton, servicing clients, doing estate planning, probate, and tax work. I originally am from Boston, Massachusetts. Grew up there, went to school in Boston, took 4 years off, went to college in New York. After that, went back to Boston for law school and graduated from Suffolk University in about 95, 94. And then immediately came down to Miami and went to the University of Miami and obtained a master's in estate planning. After my first
Great school, by the way.
Great school, great opportunity. And right after I completed my curriculum at UM with my master's, I went back and I taught there while working as an associate with a downtown firm. I was an adjunct professor for about a year, and then I relocated up to Boca Raton.
Okay, and then in Boca you started your own practice.
I went to Boca. I was with a firm for a period of time and then realized that there were ways that I wanted to service my clients, the values that I wanted to present, and the type of clients that I wanted to work with really demanded that I have my own firm.
So in the probate and estate planning area, which is your specialty, tell me the types of clients and the types of the level of service you want to provide.
For the last probably 5 to 7 years, our focus has been with entrepreneurial clients. My family, as you know, owned several Dunkin' Donut franchises up in Boston, sold them, and through my family and through their connections, I've done a lot of work with Dunkin' Donut franchises throughout the state of Florida, throughout New England, and it's been a great niche into the entrepreneurial family. We're now seeing a lot of those entrepreneurials going from second to third generation and dealing with the transition issues that occurs.
And then your legal services are very much needed then.
Absolutely. And what's evolved from that has been not only the wills and trusts and the wealth transfer issues, but one of the biggest issues that's come up in the last couple of years has been asset protection. How do we preserve wealth not only from Uncle Sam and taxes, but also from creditors, from situations where they personally guaranteed loans to make sure that the family assets remain in the family.
Okay, and so the level of service, I take it the key here is that you listen to a client's needs and lay it all out and try to deliver on that as productively and efficiently as possible.
Absolutely. I mean, that's been the most important aspect of my practice, is really being able to sit down with the client, take the time, understand what their needs are. A lot of times clients come in, they don't know what their needs are. And the interview process, which may be 1, 2, or 3 meetings, is really exploring what their needs are, what their goals are, and trying to set those goals into achievable and attainable benchmarks.
Got it. So legal services to obtain real results based upon a client's needs, not based upon fees and billing.
Absolutely.
Now, over the years, Tripp Scott has provided some of the same services, probate and estate planning services, with Christine Yates. I know you've met with Christine, and I look forward to a great relationship with her.
Very much so.
How do you think that synergy is going to work?
I think it's going to be amazing. It's a great opportunity. My practice has been a Boca Raton, Palm Beach County practice. I started off in Miami. I have a lot of relationships and work in Miami, but we have not really invaded the Fort Lauderdale market the way that Tripp Scott's president is down here. And I think working hand in hand with Christine and with her team, we're going to be able to offer a wide variety of services in the estate planning context, which is great.
I appreciate it. 2014 is going to be an exciting year for you and I both.
Absolutely.
And hopefully we'll better serve with the eye of better serving our clients in the most effective and productive way. And so, Seth, thank you and welcome again to the Tripp Scott family.
Thank you. Look forward to it.